Welcome back to another video. This is P0420. So my girl's car just got a check engine light on there for 0P0420. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm going to try to change the oxygen sensor. I've done some research on it and found out that it might be the oxygen sensor. If not, then we can continue on. And she really likes her car and she wants it running right, so I'll be installing that for today. So first thing I would do is jack up the car. So I found out it's the first oxygen sensor, not the rear one. Try the front one. Damn, that was a pain. I had to do this to get it off. I literally had to cut it off with a pair of vice grips. It was stuck. So just so you know the correct size of the oxygen sensor, it's a 22 millimeter. Let's put some of these tools away. And I'll clear the code and see what happens from there. And it doesn't come back on, but if it does, I'm gonna pop out another video and probably get the other oxygen sensor changed. And if there's no change to that, then I gotta change the catalytic converter. So that's all for now, guys. Peace.
P0420.